Hello and welcome to the online English classes for grade 11. Today we will be doing the summary of the chapter, the half summary part of the chapter, that is Ranga's marriage by Masti Venkatesha Iyengar. So there are four main characters in the story. One is Ranga. He is an accountant. He goes out of the village for higher studies. Then Shama. He is the narrator of the story. Ratna. She is an 11-year-old daughter. 11-year-old orphan girl who is staying with her uncle Ramarao. Then is Shastri. He is an astrologer. So the story begins with the explanation given by the narrator, that is Shama, who is a friend of Ranga, and he gives a detailed explanation and an exclusive view about his village. And he says that his village is, though it is very small, not mentioned in geography books, nobody knows much about the village, still he speaks highly of his village. He is very proud of his village. His village has lot of famous for sour mangoes, creepers going in near the village ponds and all that. Then he comes back and he is very proud of his friend who is named Ranga, who is coming back home after 10 years. He was sent to Bangalore for studies by his father, and now he is an accountant. When he returns back, he knew how to speak English. He is the only one probably who knew how to speak in English. So a big crowd of people came to greet him because of his achievements in and becoming the accountant. So now the narrator, he is fond of Ranga, and he wanted that Ranga is such a fine and he's such a generous boy. He didn't forget about his roots after he went to Bangalore. He just stayed connected with his roots, with his culture, and he didn't separate himself from his culture. His ideologies were completely as he went for left the village, while he left the village also. So now Shama takes upon the opportunity, takes upon the work of getting Ranga married. So now when he asked Ranga that what were his ideas about marriage, so Ranga tells that he didn't believe in arranged marriage. He wanted to marry the girl whom he admired, whom he fell in love with, and he won't ever get married on arranged basis. So now Shama knew a girl who was Ramarao's niece, whose name is Ratna. She is very pretty. She is 11 years old, and somehow he arranges a meeting of Ranga and Ratna. He plans and he sends Ranga to Ramarao's house, and there when he enters, he sees Ratna singing song and playing veena, and he doesn't disturb her, and as soon as he sees Ratna, he falls in love with her, and now he starts showing interest in Ratna. But somehow Shama, he cunningly, in a joking manner, he tells him that Ratna was already married. She had been married 1 year ago. Now when he tells him this thing, then Ranga, he feels really bad and he feels very depressed on this. Now what happens is, after some time, when he sees the expression of depression or distress on knowing the disappointment on the face of Ranga after knowing about Ratna's marriage, he now plans with Shastri again a meeting of Ranga and Ratna. Now somehow he again explains this Ranga that he got some wrong information about Ratna, and she was not ever married to anybody, but it was just a wrong information he himself got from somewhere, that he was mistaken, and he just wanted to tell him that Ratna was not married. And after that, what happens is, he also inquired of Ranga whether Shastri had indicated was true. Shama asked Ranga that he is thinking about Ratna. Ranga admitted that he liked Ratna, and in turn, after some time, they both get married. So this was the first part summary of the chapter, that is Ranga's marriage.